Hi everyone, there's a lot to be done in the school garden before I can go on my summer vacation. First, I'm going to check on the plants that we put in on Friday, and these seem to be doing okay so far. Actually, they grew a lot over the weekend. A picture of what these look like on Friday and what they look like today.
I admire your dedication.
Pardon?
I admire your dedication.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. That was an unexpected compliment. It feels nice to be appreciated. Uh-oh. Something ate some of the leaves off of these Cinderella pumpkins. I need to replace them. The good news is all the corn plants made it. Nothing ate it over the weekend. So hopefully, keeping our fingers crossed, we may have some corn this fall. Checking on our giant pumpkin, it is still growing larger every week. However, I'm a little concerned about the leaves. They seem to get yellow and seems like there's powdery mildew as well as leaf miner. Now I get to do some harvesting. One of my favorite parts of the day is coming out to the school garden. I've been here on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for 1 to 2 hours. Although the kids are not around to help, I'm lucky enough to have a couple of friends who come and help when they can. We have been enjoying the harvest and we have given away a lot of our produce. I'm harvesting these smaller zucchinis because I'm actually going to take out the plants to make room for more pumpkins. We have more zucchini than we can use, and we're having a hard time giving them away. I'm making room for more pumpkins and winter squash. I ended up spending over 3 hours and I still feel I haven't gotten everything done before I leave for my trip. I know that this garden is going to be in my friend's good loving hands when I'm gone, but I'm certainly going to miss it. Well, I better get home and start getting ready for my trip. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to stay updated on what's growing in our school garden, please remember to subscribe, and I will see you soon.